The Kia Stinger has become an icon in the sports sedan market in Australia, particularly as there are no more Aussie-made performance sedans. For the model year 2020, Kia has launched a vibrant neon orange, which certainly helps the Stinger stand out against the leftover sedans in this class. It still possesses an attractive and modern exterior design in our opinion, almost 2 years on from its initial launch. And you could say Kia was ahead of the game with the now trending full-width taillight treatment. As before, the top GT version comes with staggered width 19-inch alloy wheels in a cool centre-lock style design. These hide big Brembo brakes. From the svelte, Alcantara-like trim for the A-pillar and ceiling, to the soft touch material for the upper dash and door cards, to the metallic feel of the rotary knobs. The level of luxury and quality in here is substantial, especially for this price point. The cabin is low slung and much like a coupe, however there is adequate passenger space. In the front are a pair of comfortable sports seats with protruding yet cushioned side bolsters. And then in the back it is just as accommodating, with cup holders, climate vents with separate temperature control and dual charging ports. Boot space is slightly hindered due to the swooping roofline and hatch lid, but there is plenty of space for luggage or the weekend shopping. No changes are made under the bonnet for 2020. However, we were able to achieve quicker acceleration times compared with our previous tests. We think this was mainly because we tested in cooler winter conditions this time around. We also ran the car with half a tank of petrol as opposed to our usual near full capacity that we usually run with. This is what it goes like.